right, good morning, everybody. It's February 10th, so hopefully we can make some money today and get this thing on the right track. Okay, so we got TWOU here switching, and we all know how much I like this ticker right now, 48.80 and 48.05, so we're about 75 cents. Throw that in the calendar real quick. So 133 shares is what we're looking at doing. Just go 140. Still in the super premium list, but I don't trust it. A little nervous with this one. So, but we're going to jump in. We got to keep on trading it unless we're going to dump it off the list. We got 3 minutes. We'll see if it sets up. Okay, so we also have CVS over here on the switchback setting up. So what do we got here in CVS? 72.94, 73.34. So 40 cents roughly, 250 shares. And I got a futures trade on my other monitor I'm going to take as well. Can't trade them. Can't show them all on video, unfortunately. So I'm going to pick these two. We're going to go long on both of them, and then I'm going to go long on my futures trade. So everything looks like it's lining up. All right, we're in, and we're in, and we are in. All right, so all three trades were in. So now I'm going to put my stops in here real quick. So come over to the dome. Scroll down, look at the line. I don't have time to look for prices right now, so I'm just going to look at the line on the chart. Got that, and then put my futures trade stop in. All right, cool. So all my stops are in. So now let's mark these up and see what I'm supposed to get out. All right, everybody, so that's going to do it for me today. So shutting it down, we're at 145. Actually wasn't able to really focus on trading today and making content, but I did record my my screen so you can see the trades happen. Okay, so here we are with CVS. So this was on the switchback. So right here, we didn't have permission. I'm trading this on the modified play switchback. Again, I trade this on opening range. I trade it on the switchback, and I trade it on the normal simple switch algorithm strategy. So again, trading with the algorithm. The algorithm right here is indicating my trade. This is giving me permission typically on the normal strategy. So, and that's what's happening on the screen there. So anyway, we had our switchback, our entry on the close of the candle, and then our target based on what the algorithm is giving me. And we hit our target. And as you saw in the video, I just flattened my position. I didn't try to trail it or anything like that. Just jumped out for 2 reasons. One, I'm busy with other stuff, so I didn't really want to sit here. I just wanted to get out. I could have put an OCO order in and been out. And then the other reason is just from that's the target, right? That's the trade. It's over. But a lot of times, you know that I don't like to just flatten. I like to try to trail a stop up, which I could have did here, and I would have got stopped out evenly. But when you're also seeing this little shelf here, there's a potential for this to then roll back over and it maybe come back up, create a W and boost. But I didn't want to be a part of the rollover, so I bounced out. And looking at the green candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green candles. Insane. So chances are we're going to have a pullback, and I didn't want to be involved in that. So, or retracement. So jumped out as soon as we hit the target, flattened that out. So that's with CVS. And then a little bit of a mistake I made today. TWOU. So we know from watching my last several videos that this ticker and I have not been getting along. It was on the super premium list, went big on it, and it failed me and broke a record. Never had that many losers in a row with this ticker before. So that was a much bigger loss than I would have liked to have taken, but part of the plan, right? Still in the plan. So the plan was today to then also go big because it would have to break another record of losing streak in order for me to lose today. So the odds were heavily in my favor. It's a probability game, and the probability was very high that this was going to be a winner. But because I wasn't going to be focused on it, I saw the trade pop up, and I'm like, I'm just going to get in with normal size. Got it with normal size, and of course, today would have been a winner. This could have been easily 4 times this winning, but you know, I didn't trade the plan on it because I wasn't able to really focus. I didn't really have the time I needed to dedicate to what is that number going to be, kind of thing. So it caught me off guard a little bit. But either way, finally we got a winner back in TWOU. Hopefully this starts the next winning streak and we'll be good to go. But this definitely gets taken off the super premium list now and put back in the normal list. So we'll just do our $100 risk reward on it. Okay, let's look at the next ticker that I've been trading. This is the same portfolio I trade every day, so I'm not leaving anything out. You can see everything. Traded or not traded, I'm going to show you so you can see that I did or didn't trade it. So here we are with APPS. We'll only trade this off the strategy, the normal strategy, and we got no permission to trade this today. So didn't trade it. NUG. Right here, NUG, same thing. No permission to trade it today. We got permission now, but it's after 12:30, 1 o'clock is my cutoff for vetting. So I don't know if this will be a winner or loser. I don't. Some of my tickers only seem to win in the morning, and they don't like to win in the afternoon. Other tickers I've vetted seem to mostly just win in the afternoon. They don't like to win in the morning. So depending on what your time frame of trading is, if you're trading with the algorithm, you can kind of find tickers that fit your time frame. And NUG is mostly a morning trade for me. We'll see what happens on this one. Of course, I'll monitor and just kind of see, in the end I might find, wow, in the afternoon, NUG has huge winners. Maybe I should start trying to trade this in the afternoon. But I don't right now, so I'm not in it. And then QCOM is the last one. So QCOM, we trade on the switch, and then after it switches, if that switch is going to be a loser, I'll speed bump it until we have a winner. Speed bumping, I do a lot more. I tell you a lot more about it over at my site. With the link is below, and my free training over there. But basically, if I'm going to have a loser because it's going to hit my stop, then I'll reverse my trade. But there's some criteria around that. But I'll reverse my trade, and then I usually recover most of my loss, if not all of it. So anyway, on the switch here, QCOM has had so many winners. As I said yesterday's video, man, it has to have a loser sooner or later. I mean, you can't have like 50 winners in a row, right? So anyway, it'll be a loser the day I trade it huge. Maybe I should send an email out saying, hey, everybody, I'm trading QCOM today, so that nobody trades it, because that'll be the day it loses. So anyway, right here we got our switch entry, easy money right here, big money potential there. So I would have got out right in this candle and been done quick and easy. But I didn't trade it, so no trade. Like I said, I was really busy this morning. It wasn't that I didn't want to trade it. We do have a tower candle, but it's not more than 50% down, so there was some good opportunity to jump in here. But I was just busy this morning. So anyway, so that's the portfolio. So let's go and look at the log. Okay, so here we are with the log. So here's today. So we were able to, have a nice little day, $205. What we're going to close the day on, up $1.17 per share. Yesterday was not a great day, but at least we closed it green. Even though you get all this red in here, that was a sketchy day. And yeah, it's been a little bit of a rough start to February. Up in this box here, you can see where we're at in February right now. So far, we're green on the month now after today. So that works out pretty good. But yeah, so let's go over to the dashboard. Dashboard, please. So, and then here we are in the month of February. We're almost green on the month. We had, this big bad day here. We had some futures trades that have brought us down a little bit. Futures account, slowly growing that back. Actually, may have a winner here be bouncing out of. So I had a futures trade set up the same time I was juggling these other 3 trades. I wasn't able to record it today. So anyway, so the futures market, we're down a little bit. And then in our day trade account, we're recovering quite nicely, actually. Another day, and we should be back in the green. And then combined accounts, not too bad. But anyway, so that's where we're at. And again, on the calendar, this is a total of all my stuff: swing trades that are closed, as well as day trades and futures trades. Good day. Slowly getting back to where we want to be. And then tomorrow, Thursday, we got 2 more days this week. So let's hopefully we have some nice green days and get right back on track here. Everybody, have an awesome day. See you tomorrow.